Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a really special recipe. It is my Loco Moco fried rice. Yes, we're going to mix a couple of different cuisines together. Alright, 500 grams of beef mince there. I'm adding in about a teaspoon's worth of black pepper, teaspoon's worth of salt, teaspoon's worth of onion powder, and teaspoon's worth of garlic powder. Give all of that a good mixy mix, and all we have to do now is just make some basic burgers out of that. I shouldn't have to show you how to do that. Right, so we've got our little burgers, and this is a one pan creation dish. Alright, so not a lot of mess, not a lot of cleanup. So I've got a little bit of oil in the bottom of a fry pan. I'm actually going to use my wok just to make things a little bit easier for you to see, and I'm going to start frying my burgers off in just a tiny bit of oil, just a little bit of vegetable oil. Right, so we're just going to put those in, let those cook off for a little bit, and once they brown on one side, we can give them a flip over and a little bit of a press down just to thin those out a little bit and make them a little bit larger in circumference. Alright, once we've got these burgers nicely cooked, probably around about 80% of the way through, depending on how you like your burger. I like to have mine probably about medium rare. I'll let you decide how much you want to cook your burgers. So we're going to do these in a couple of batches. We're going to go through the same process, brown the bottom, give them a flip, give them a press, give them a flip, and cook those off. They're not going to take very long at all to do. I'm going to put that on some baking paper with a little bit of foil underneath. I'm going to give those burgers a little bit of a wrap up in the foil, and I'm going to put that into a warm oven, just a warm oven, not hot, just warm. Right, as you can see, our oil and schmutz is all on the bottom. Don't worry, we're just going to add in an egg, just like that, straight in on top of all of that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a little bit of a cover that I actually have. It's actually a little steaming cover for my barbecue. You could just use a pot lid and just cover that, and it's just going to make these eggs really quick to do. Right, once there's all cooked, the whites are cooked off to the way you like them. I like mine. I like my whites set and put my yolk nice and runny. We can take those straight out. 1 egg per serving is what we actually want. So I've got my eggs done. I'm going to add in a bit of a day-old rice. Okay, if you don't have day-old fried rice, get some microwave white rice and throw that in. It will work exactly the same. All right, we're going to let that sit for a little bit, get a bit of that wok type char on there, and give that a little bit of a stir from time to time. Really easy to do. If you haven't tried doing your own fried rice, it's not that hard. Right, a little bit of sesame oil. I'm going to add in a couple of tablespoons worth. I'm just going to put that on top of my little wok stirrer and just give that a little bit of a even sprinkle through, just like that. And we're going to stir that sesame oil through as well. Beautiful flavor for our fried rice. Okay, as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of char happening. I'm going to add in some bacon rashers. You can use some ham if you want, depends what you like, whatever you've got. I always keep bacon in the freezer at all times. Give that a little bit of a stir through from time to time. Around about a clove's worth of garlic paste, that's going to go straight in as well, and that's going to give us a nice little bit of depth of flavor. So as you can see, our rice is starting to change color a little bit. Around about a cup and a half's worth of frozen peas, which I've just left out on the bench, and they've come up to sort of room temperature, and I'm going to toss those through as well. This is a very basic type of fried rice. All right, a little bit of soy sauce around the edge just to get things started. Okay, and once that is in, we're going to give that a good mixy mix as well. Okay, now you can add as much or little soy sauce as you like. I'm going to add in a little bit of white pepper, right? Just ground white pepper that goes in. That's also going to give us that little bit of a zing that we like in our fried rice, and just keep stirring that through just like I'm doing right there. A little bit more soy sauce, just like that, and I'm using that for a little bit of salt and a little bit of color. If you're not sure how much soy to put in, just have a little bit of a taste of your rice as you go along, and you know, add a little bit of a time, not too much. But we're going to serve up. We're going to put our fried rice on the bottom. We're going to add in our burgers straight on top, just like that. Okay, and this dish is very, very economical, very quick, very easy, and there we go. Our burgers are on top. We're going to add in our fried egg on top, just nice and carefully. Don't want to break that yolk yet, because when that yolk breaks on top when we're eating it, that beautiful yolk is going to add a magic sauce all over our meat and rice. I'm just going to use a packet gravy, right? Believe it or not, just a microwave gravy. I'm going to pour a little bit of that over the top, some spring onion over there, and there you go. You got KP's Loco Moco fried rice. This tastes absolutely amazing. It blew my mind, even though I was doing it for a joke and put the camera on just for the hell of it. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get another KP's Kingdom out there. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. Be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. And in the meantime, if you want to learn how to make something real quick, easy, one pan and a crossbreed fusion dish like this one, we need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. After eating my Loco Moco fried rice, Hawaii meets Asia, and I will catch you next time. Bye.